Hello guys, this is Farmer Mango along with Mrs. Heather. I don't know if I should say Carrington or Ferron, doesn't matter. Now we're at the farm. As you can see, we're very experienced sunflower connoisseurs. We're in the midst of sunflowers. Now if you notice, we notice because we're very observant, okay? Now the flowers them, please do a panoramic.
Mr. Paul.
Yes, back to us now. Yeah. If you noticed, the flowers them looking toward the sun, that's why they're called sunflowers. Then if the evening, when the sun go back down to the rise in the east, set in the west, to the west, the flowers them gonna turn like so. I can't turn it, of course, because I'm not the flowers. This has been your feature. As you can see, I'm a seasoned farmer. There are no insects here.
Just snake.
Continuing again, guys, it's me, professional, very experienced. Now these machines are called the soil management system. I'm experienced. So we have this little one here. I call this little one Jerry. Now what happens is he comes right here. The sides they come down and then they go ahead. Okay? Now this big one is called Everton, okay? Everton is one of the most reliable ones we have here, right? So as you can see, Everton, Jerry, and Richard are parked. When it's time to do the soil management, we let it down, get the things attached, right? The GPS takes over and it does everything. Thank you for coming to my lesson. As I said, I'm an experienced sunflower farmer. Thank you.
So we watch these things disappear over the horizon. And we're wondering how far are they going? And then, you know, another 20 minutes go by, here they come again. I mean, this farm, whatever it was up there was huge. Because I was telling you, they don't measure their farms in the hundreds of acres. It's thousands of acres. A while back about graffiti.
Yes.
And what we consider sacred now, what they consider these cave paintings, I mean, they're nothing but graffiti.
They were graffiti.
Yes.
Well, see? Graffiti is art. It has a face.
How are you doing today? I'm Scary Flower.
Excuse me.
Like this